have a charity or community group in the UK? Do you know you can apply for up to £10,000? If you make a case for more, you can get up to £20,000. Yes, you heard me right. If this is something that you're interested in, please keep on watching till the end. So if you are new to this channel, please go ahead and click on the like button. Like this video if you haven't, and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I drop juicy videos like this on my channel. Yes, so I want to meet you. If this is your first time, I want to know you. I want to meet you. Yes, where are you watching from? Yes, where are you watching from? I really want to meet you guys. Yes, so if you're tuning in for the first time, if you're seeing this face for the first time, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, a fashion designer, and a YouTuber. I drop 2 videos every week, every Mondays and Wednesdays. You can also catch me live on YouTube. Come, is it not hot on the floor? Is it so hot? Yeah, you can also catch me on YouTube every Wednesdays and Saturdays at 10:30 p.m. Pacific. Yes. One more thing is, expect more videos on this channel. More videos on this channel. Each time I have a grant video, so I drop multiple videos on my channel in a week, within a week. Each time I have grant videos. The reason is because they have deadlines, and of course I have to drop this video before the deadlines approach. Yes. So always, you can always count on your girl now. Yes. So another thing I want you guys to see is, I want you guys to see this channel as a safe place. Is that I want you guys to see this channel as a safe place for everyone. So feel free to express yourself. There are no stupid questions on my channel. Feel free to express yourself, and I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Have you seen my other grants videos? I think you should go check them out. Yes, because I have grants for people that can in Canada, people in the UK. Yes, I have more videos, grants videos for people residing in UK, in Wales, you know, in Canada, in Africa, in Nigeria, Botswana, Kenya, and South Africa, every part of the world. People even in the Middle East. I have grant videos for all of you guys. Yes, so you know now, you guys should support your girl now. Share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's allow this juicy info. Go ahead and share this video in your church group, your mosque groups, on your WhatsApp status, in your WhatsApp groups, in your Zoom meeting. Share this video. Allow this video now. Let's tell it. Let's share. You can't afford to keep to this information. Even if it doesn't apply to you, sharing is caring on this channel. You know how you do it now. Go ahead and share this video. Share this video with your network. Yeah. So let's go right into the nitty-gritty of today's topic. So the Community Foundation is offering funds to charities and community groups in the UK, and the closing date for this grant is August 8th of 2021. August 8th, 2021. So go ahead and watch this video till the end and check out how to apply. Priority areas are capital, activities, and development. That is community organizations to support capital, activities, and development. Number 2 is access to training and educational activities for disadvantaged, gifted, and talented young people. Individuals to allow people to take up training or education opportunities. That is cover transport or equipment costs. Now, another thing, they also want to provide access to amateur sports or the arts for disadvantaged, gifted, and talented young people. For instance, opportunities in sports and arts for gifted and talented young people. And number 4 is sustainable developments by the promotion of sustainable means of achieving economic growth and regeneration. For instance, social enterprises to support the cost of startup or expansions. And priority will be given to applications originating within Scamboys, East Medington, and Seaden Valley. Now, consideration will also be given to applications for funding originating from outside of these priority areas that I mentioned, providing evidence that residents within the priority area will benefit. And the fund will not support the core costs of continuing services. The fund will consider applications between £750 and £10,000. Yes. You request for the grants according to how much is needed in your organizations. Yes. Go ahead. Your girl now. I've done all the homework for you. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on the link in the description. God. So all you need to do is just go ahead and click on the link in the description. Yes, so I have done all the homework for you. Go ahead and start to apply ASAP. This grants will be closing pretty soon, and you don't want to miss out on this juicy offer. Yes, so if this video has blessed you, know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Yes, don't forget to like this video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes, so allow this juicy info with your friends in the UK. Yes, share this video, like I said earlier, share it in your mosque groups, in your church groups, in your WhatsApp status, on your WhatsApp groups, in your just share this video to all of your network. Share it on your social media platforms. Let us allow this juicy info. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Yes, so follow me on Instagram at Chassis Everything and TikTok at Chassis Everything. Make sure you check out my previous videos on the grants, grants for people in the UK, in USA, in Canada, in Africa, Botswana, Uganda, South Africa, in different parts of the world, even Middle East. Go ahead and check my videos. My grants videos. I have grants for business owners, for students, and for non-profit organizations. What more do you want? And trust me, I am more than happy to take all your questions on this channel. If you have any question or any research that you need me to do, please go ahead and leave it in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to to all of this research for you. Your girl, trust your girl. Now I've got your back. So I'll see you guys again in my next video. But till